Travis, will you close the curtains? Awesome, thank you. We do that in inners.
Little baby though.
Hey, I'm going to tuck this thing in the back. This case. Is that cool?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Sorry.
Is it not on?
Turn it down.
Okay.
Sorry.
Were you not on?
Yeah, I wasn't.
Okay. How about,
That's good.
alright, right there?
Yeah.
Good, alright. Anybody else need that in the monitor? Okay. I totally would, but I can't, so.
That's fine. Just turn the drums up.
Alright, you guys, is there anything I need to change?
Can I get a little bit more guitar?
Of me. Sorry.
Okay.
Check. Hey!
More?
Hey! Yeah.
Good?
That.
Tell her.
Check! I guess that's perfect, actually.
Can I
get a little
bit
more guitar in mine?
Yeah.
Hey, David, I can't hear you at all through here.
We have no vocals, main vocals in the drum wedge, I guess.
We have none?
Yeah.
Very
Okay.
little. I can barely hear him.
Oh, did you mute it?
I then put it back.
Okay.
No, I'm getting you, but just very little vocal.
Check. Hey!
Yeah.
Hey!
Last one.
Hey! Better? Okay, you guys have time for maybe like a chorus, and then we gotta get going.
Okay.
Alright?
Got true faith real quick. Hold on. Here's those who fall. True faith. Hold on. Alright. 250.
Can I get a little more mid vocals and a little bit more my vocals?
Yeah, more vocals still, please. I'm not really hearing.
Same with the drum glitch.
More vocals. I hear a lot of bass and guitar is pretty good.
Yeah.
So I just need vocals. Maybe even some drums. No, I'm just kidding. More drums is always better.
All right, guys, you want to go through one more chord? No. Yeah, during your performance, if you're still not satisfied with the vocals in your monitors, point at yourself and point at me. Yeah, like give me something.
Hey, just fucking crank them.
Yeah, sure.
All right,
For him, that's fine, but...
All right, thank you guys. Let's get you guys off the stage.
Fine. See how it is.
You do. You finally see how... God damn, I've been trying to...
Drummers finally see how it is after all this time.
Actually, yeah.
Okay, so